We're here today in the lovely old town of Ledbury in Herefordshire. And why are we here? Well, we're here to see a textile exhibition. It's called Living in the Middle, from the girls of Stitch in the Middle. So let's go and see what it's all about. And the smaller piece, which we're looking at, is photo transfer?
It's a photo transfer. I'm fairly certain it is. Yes.
Which is what?
Yes, you were saying it's something we use a lot. You can, if you take a photo, and obviously we would normally print it on paper, you can also get sheets of fabric which are treated with a particular chemical which makes the inks permanent on the fabric. And this is so much that I was looking at this earlier and said, oh, I would just know that was Kathy, and I don't quite know why, but she has a lovely flow across her pieces.